With the crypto industry thriving now more than ever, it must mean all ships are rising, right? Well, that might not actually always be the case. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency trading platform, recently surpassed over 200 million users worldwide, while averaging over 60% of market share for daily trading volume in the entire industry. Sounds like an empire too big to fail, right? Well, let's ask Rome. With the DOJ and SEC sending crypto's richest man and Binance founder CZ to prison recently, I think it's fair to ask the question, is Binance Coin still a good investment in 2024? Let's dive in. Founded in 2017, Binance made their splash in the industry in a big way. Although their platform has a plethora of different services like trading, staking, saving, and blockchain development, that wasn't the case in the beginning. At the start, Binance was the little kid on the block, going up against legacy players like Bittrex, Huobi, Coinbase, and does anyone remember Cryptopia? Talk about nostalgia. Horrible platform, but very nostalgic. But of course, none of those players mattered to Binance because what Binance had was an innovative, sexy platform with a phenomenal user interface and of course the BNB token, the first exchange to ever introduce their own crypto that offered unique perks when used on the platform. This combination rapidly brought Binance up the leaderboard in daily volume, and with only 180 days, Binance grew into the largest crypto exchange in the world. And with the help of BNB tokenomics and CZ's loyalty to the company by only receiving salary in BNB and BTC, this has led him to acquiring the throne as crypto's richest man that we know of at a $33 billion net worth. Okay, we get it. CZ is rich, Binance is successful, so what? Well, that might be changing very soon, and the DOJ and SEC certainly hope so. Just recently, CZ pleaded guilty to DOJ charges for failure to report money laundering on the Binance platform. This led to CZ just starting a 4-month sentence in prison, resulting in his step down as the CEO of Binance mid last year. Furthermore, he is now the richest person in the United States to be confined to a federal prison. And of course, before commencing his sentence, CZ was also instructed to pay a massive $50 million penalty for his law violations, bringing him to wonder, how is he going to pay his bills when he gets out? That was a joke, of course. This story recently breaking quickly caused mass panic in the crypto industry, as people believed this spelled the end of the biggest crypto exchange in the world. But surprisingly, maybe not so surprising, the chart showed otherwise, with the current price of the BNB coin being nearly 2 times of what it was when CZ stepped down in July of last year, and recently rallying to an all-time high of nearly 700 flippin' dollars. BNB is actually doing better than ever and is outpacing the majority of the market, even at the 4th market cap position of $90 billion. Okay, so let's get this straight. CZ's in jail and BNB and Binance are doing better than ever. For some reason the math's not mathin', but does it really ever in crypto? I mean, heck guys, we got like 5 shit coins in the top 15, so honestly nothing surprises me in this industry anymore. Comment down below if you think you know which 5 shit coins I'm referring to. Okay, in all seriousness, let's see if we can answer the $1 million question, is BNB still a good investment in 2024? In my opinion, of course, not financial advice, yes, I do believe BNB is still a good investment. But before you click away, get those little nasty fingers off the screen, let's elaborate on why I think that is the case. For starters, we've already established that Binance is still, after 7 years, the largest crypto exchange in the world, with just this past week surpassing 200 million users, averaging a disgustingly large market share of daily volume of over 60% and holds the 4th position in market cap for the BNB coin at over $90 billion, nearly at its all-time high. But let's dive deeper. What are some of the actual causes behind this exponential growth over the years, and why is it likely to continue into the foreseeable future, even with the founder behind bars? Well, it all really comes down to the tokenomic structure and ecosystem that Binance has implemented and nurtured over the years. For starters, and their most notable, the Binance Exchange. This trading platform allows users to trade over 400 cryptocurrencies and caters to both novice and expert traders. With a variety of user interfaces, the barrier to entry is very low, and users can choose their interface based on their experience level. Additionally, Binance has the largest liquidity pools in the market, allowing their users to place orders and fulfilling those orders without any hassle, which is an absolute huge deal for crypto exchanges. Staking is also available for a large variety of assets, which gives users the ability to earn rewards and interest on their crypto. These, of course, are features that are not unique to Binance, but these, along with dozens of others that I don't have time for or the patience to discuss, have elevated Binance above the competition. Next, let's talk about the BNB coin, previously known as the BNB token. Don't know the difference? Coins are cryptos that are established on their own native blockchain, while tokens are cryptos that are established on a pre-existing blockchain. BNB was originally created on the Ethereum blockchain, which made it a token, and then it transitioned to its own blockchain, which made it a coin. The BNB coin has a handful of utility, with the primary being to allow users a 25% discount on fees for simply trading in BNB on the exchange, instead of other market options such as BTC, ETH, or stablecoins. Ooh, I know, so exciting. But wait, here comes the interesting part. The burn. One more time. The burn. Binance uses 20% of its profits to buy back and burn BNB, which leads to a reduction in the supply of the circulating coins. Binance promises to do this until it buys back and destroys 100 million BNB, which is 50% of the total supply. And so far, their word has almost been as solid as my pecs, baby. Their 27th and most recent burn just passed on April 24th, where they destroyed nearly 2 million BNB coins worth over $1 billion. So why is a coin burn such a big deal for a tokenomic structure, and why is it personally one of my favorites? Well, it really breaks down to basic supply and demand fundamentals. You see, if you have a set supply and demand increases, then the price of the asset will increase. Now, implement a system where every 90 days, chunks of that supply are removed, but demand continues to rise. The price of the asset will increase like before, but now at a much quicker pace, as there's now less of that asset on the market to go around. Now, there's no questioning that Binance has always been making big leaps in the blockchain development space, but they've taken things one step further with their own blockchain, the Binance Smart Chain, which is a blockchain designed to support smart contracts and dApps. Now, to an average retail investor, you probably don't care, but this is much more valuable for all the blockchain devs out there. You see, Binance is considered one of the holy grails in the blockchain development world. Of course, there's arguably better blockchains out there, but we do need to give respect where respect is due. And Binance Smart Chain has over 700 protocols, making it the second largest blockchain being built on in the world, right behind Ethereum. Okay, so although the founder is behind bars for 4 months and regulators have continuously wanted to make an example out of the empire that is Binance, I do believe Binance has not only cleaned up their act, but also positioned themselves over the years to a point where the community that are the Binanceans and the Binance Smart Chain itself has solidified itself as a top player in the industry for years to come. And hence, the worst is behind us. And heck, honestly, the worst led to the bloody damn coin doubling in value. Make it make sense.